Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another special video for y'all, and once again this is a unboxing. So sorry if you guys are getting a little tired of it, but hopefully this is still enjoyable for y'all. But yeah, I got an unboxing, and this is going to be for the Anker Life Q30 headphones. That is what this unboxing is going to be about, and I guess I'm just going to go ahead and give my initial impressions of the headphones as well in this video. So yeah guys, so let's go ahead and get right on into it. So just a little around the box, I guess. This is the front, this is the side. Yeah, hopefully y'all can see that. This is the back of the box, and the other side, and I guess the bottom, which doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's go ahead and get straight on into the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and open this on up. So they have a nice little convenient slit right here, so you can just rip it, and then it opens up in like a pretty, I guess, clean way. And you just rip all this plastic off. Let me get y'all some ASMR. Okay, the plastic is definitely more durable than I expected it to be. But yeah, so we got the plastic off the box. And then we go ahead and open up from up top over here. And then you go ahead and take this out of here. And it seems like they got this carrying case for the headphones. And then inside the box there's nothing else. It seems like it's just a carrying case that has all the stuff in it. And yeah, initial impressions, this is a pretty dang good carrying case. Very solid. Seems like good construction. I like that they kept, like, I guess the front logo very simple. Just says Soundcore, and I mean it's like a grayish type of color. I really like the color, and seems like pretty durable. And there's the zipper, if anyone's interested on that. Nice little black, I guess, sleek minimalistics zipper. And let me go ahead and open this up and show y'all what they give you in here. Okay. So, on the left hand side, it seems we have a little pocket over here. And in the pocket, seems like they gave us a little USB-C charging cable and a aux cable, or a 3.5 millimeter cable with gold tipped ends. So I guess that's pretty nice of them to give us that. So there's that and that. And then what else we got in here? And then in here it seems like just have the manuals and stuff. There's that. So that's everything that was in the pocket. And then right here we have the actual headphones themselves. And this is pretty nice that they have a little foam thing at the bottom to like cover it, and you know exactly how the headphones are supposed to fall into place, I guess. So that's definitely an addition I really like. So yeah. And initial impression. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my head and see how they fit. Okay, so fitment wise, I mean, the ear cups are very cushiony and firm, but they're not too firm to where like it's gripping onto your ears and uncomfortable. But I definitely like the way these headphones feel on my head. Padding on the ear cups and everything is really solid. And then it seems like on the inside they give you L and R for your left and right audio channels to let you know which goes on which side. And then obviously the headphones do fold inwards like that if you wanted to, or this way to make them more compact for carrying purposes. And then on top, seems like you got a nice bit of cushioning up here as well. And I mean, it seems like there's a brushed metal finish along the top, and then on here they just say active noise canceling on both sides, I believe. Yeah. And then they have a little click adjustment for the sizing on this. Like if your head's a bigger size, you need to make it bigger to accommodate. And yeah, I mean, these do seem like a pretty well built pair of headphones, especially for like their cost. And then over here on this side, as you can see, they have a little NFC portion where you can just tap your phone onto it and it'll just go ahead and connect to it, which is really nice. Just like these small features, they really do add to the package, and just for the general consumer, I would say it's very, very nice to have. Like these small little things, they overall just make the package a really nice and enticing one. And other than that, the only, I guess, downside for me personally is I prefer, I guess, more simplistic headphones, or like I don't want, I guess, weird styling. And this logo, me personally, I would have preferred it like if it was blacked out, or like I don't know if they even had like carbon fiber on this, but I just feel like it's like a chrome-ish like reflection and logo. I personally don't like that. Either like they don't put any logo at all, or they black this out, or like they put carbon fiber on it. But like basically like the Sony WH-1000XM4s, those have no like Sony logo on the actual, I guess, ear cups, which is what people can see. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion. I just like really minimalistic and I guess clean styling on products. But yeah, guys, that was the unboxing for the Anker Soundcore Life Q30s. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll definitely be looking into doing a long-term review of these headphones. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all